Hey, what's up? Let's do some more braided stuff. Actually, I really love this one style that I'm going to show you. It's really easy and it's always a crowd pleaser, I guess. So it's going to be two braids and then we're going to fold it up like a little, what's her name? Like Heidi, little Heidi braids, I guess I'll call it. Yeah, they're so easy. I think you'll really like them. I think you'll realize how easy they are to do once you do them, and then it'll be a breeze, and then you'll do it all the time. Anyways, let's get started. I'm just parting my hair down the middle, nothing special, okay? We're gonna do regular braid, but I'm gonna kind of pull it a little bit forward. That will help us. When we end up pinning it. Look at that little guy. We'll pin him in. Don't worry about him. I have lots of layers in my hair, so that tends to happen a lot. Okay. Pulling this guy forward again. This guy's gonna need a little bit. Just gonna add some to that guy. It might mess him up a little bit, but it's okay. Okay. Let's see. Where's this guy? Gonna pull this out, make it kind of a little bit bigger. So when you pull this down, you give yourself a little bit of wiggle room to loosen things up. Where do I want that little guy? Maybe we'll keep him down here. Just kind of bugging, right? There we go. Now he's gone. I'm going to take one of these U-pins, put them in your braid, and you're just going to go back and forth. You're going to want to try to pick up some of the hair at the base and some of your braid. Okay, you're going to want to take a little bobby and shove him into your braid. There we go. Here's one more. And then we're going to go down in the braid. Cool. Let's show where our bangs kind of start. So maybe we'll start a little bit back gonna tuck that tail right there. I'm gonna take one of these big guys actually. Grab that guy. I'm gonna shove a little guy in here. This guy's kind of bugging me, so as I pin, I'm just gonna stick a pin in him as my anchor, but also try to take care of this. I'm gonna stick a little U-pin to try to get that guy to stay down. There we go. One more anchor in here. It still feels a little loose. There we go. Okay, now let's hide. So see this little guy? Still there, so I'm gonna take this part of my braid, fold him in, shove that guy in there. And then this guy is gonna go back around the other way and get tucked under this braid. And then we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna grab this little guy right here and pull him over. So then he can hide the other guy. Whoops, we can see him. Redo that guy. There we go. Let's get these bangs to listen up. Then you can like pull more pieces out around your face if you got some shorter ones. But that's pretty cute. And once you braid it, it's honestly pretty easy to manipulate stuff afterwards to like get everybody to sit in their spot and, you know, be part of the team. Like this little guy, you just like throw a pin in him and hide him. Doesn't have to be a perfect braid when you finish, because you can do a lot of adjusting afterwards. Can you hear my doggy playing out there? Everyone's going crazy staying inside. Okay. Yeah, pretty cute, guys. That wasn't that hard, right? I think you could do that. I believe in you. If only I could yodel now. Next step in my career. Yodel, Ricola. Anyways, new adventures.